Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the steps to update the BOE number for a confirmed goods issue order in Fresa Application. Initially, we have to log in Fresa Application. After successfully logging in, this is our dashboard looks like. Navigate to the Warehouse module and click the Goods Issue Order menu. On this page, enter the date range and click the Submit button. Click the edit icon in the respective GIO. On the GIO page, click the Additional tab. Enter the updated BOE number in the respective field. And click the Update BOE Number button. The BOE number is updated. Now, navigate to the Warehouse module. And click the Reports Warehouse menu. And select the Stock Movement Report. Here, enter the date range. And enter the warehouse. And the client and click the Submit button. The updated BOE number will be reflected in the Stock Movement Report. These are the steps to update the BOE number for a confirmed GIO goods issue order in the Fresa Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.